ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Lamphang jogo ying dorbar Thauan ke jilla u Thomas A Sangma haka pratrik uleber arja arpusau ulale jurep ya ke jingte jong assembly be Thymmai ke badang tre shat bat penyat ru ya ke jingalang perkhat kam halo ke jing shnai ke nik assembly be Thymmai modiang diang New Shillong Hakini ke jingalam lai don lang Menteri Rangba ke jilla Konrad ke Sangma kisembut Menteri Rangba bekin thop yuba Preston Song berubah senyau bhalang dhar Menteri Ketanat Boarding Abu Tahir Mandal Menteri Ketanat PHE Marcus N Marak kontraktor ke officer bat QA. Hadim belayo i ke jingya shaprang jong jingte Lamphang jong ying dorbar Thauan ula Pyndep ba ke jing Sna Pyndep ya ke nik assembly be Thymmai kan longbet house Snem araja arfusau.
The meeting, and we had invited the design associates, who is the project management team, PMC, and also along with the contractors and other officials. The purpose of this meeting is to ensure that the work. I invited the Chief Minister and his Deputy Chief Ministers because I wanted to also share how the work progress is doing, and they had come. I'm very happy that they're also very satisfied with the progress of work. We want to complete this within this year, and hopefully we can also have a sitting of the assembly here at least within this year. So this is our target and this is our objective. I think as per the timelines, if the weather is kind to us, I think we will be able to complete within this year. I was not very happy with the progress of work. Now we were told by the contractor and the PMC also that all the materials, actually it is the main central hall is being structured anew with the steel fabrication structure. So the materials were not coming. We were delayed, but now all the materials have reached. So I think putting those together and fabrication will not take much time. So I'm very hopeful that the work will progress quite faster as we had seen earlier. I think the work will progress much faster now. Yes, they were also satisfied. The Honorable Chief Minister and his Deputy Chief Ministers, they were also satisfied with the progress of work. And but we are not taking any chances. We will not put pressure on the construction team to complete without fulfilling all the safety measures.